YouTube, Derek here. I thought I'd give you a quick update. I've been speaking to a company called Lu. They produce filament, and I was speaking to someone via Facebook this morning. They posted a link on Facebook to say, would you like some free filament? So yes, I responded. They then messaged me and asked me to put 3 no VP reviews up on Amazon for them, and they will supply me a roll of filament for free. Now this at the moment I don't know if it's a joke or anything, but I've seen a few bits and pieces and it seems to be quite legit. The filament they're offering at the moment is just standard PLA, PLA plus, TPU, wood and ABS. I'm not too sure what else they do. I think they're just wanting a load of reviews and stuff to get their hype going. They've got a huge sale on at the moment, which is about half price, so it's always worth giving them a test if you haven't given them a test before. Now this, what I've been told, is open to the whole of Europe, USA as well. So I've got links which I will provide in the video down below. So to get your hands on this filament, what you need to do is go on Facebook, go and look under Lu, so it's SUN space LU, message them and say that you're interested in purchasing some of their filament. Now you'll get a reply back saying that they will contact you ASAP, but when they do, they will then respond and they will say, okay, show us your order number from the Amazon site, so you have to order it via Amazon, and as long as you send them, give them just the order number, they will then offer you the refund, the full refund. I was quite lucky. I spoke to them and said that I will obviously provide the information on my channel to everyone that I know, and hopefully you can share this if it's still available. If you would like to give this a go, contact them via Facebook and speak to them first. When I was speaking to them, I didn't provide. I said to them, I said, look, I'm not paying for anything at the moment. I have I don't get paid until next week, so I won't have any available income until then. They were like, okay, that's fine. Do the 3 reviews, let me know, I'll check, and I'll just send it to you. And they're sending me a 1 kilo reel of wood PLA PLA filament, which should be here within the next few days, because they said it's actually their stock. Most of their stock at the moment is in Amazon, the Amazon branch, which is Hemel. To me, it's about 30-40 miles down the road, but they said that it shouldn't take too long to get here. So as soon as I do get it, I'll do a bit of a review, do some testing on it, show you guys, and let you know what's going on. So once again, Lu have got this offer out at the moment. Lu, sorry, have got this offer out at the moment. Give it a go. If you're successful, great. If you're not, unfortunately, there's not much I can say about it. But please, I don't know if this is a joke or not. I'm letting you guys know first. So if it is real, we're winning. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. All the links will be in the video below. You're welcome to buy me a coffee, and I also have a Patreon. So if you want to help support the channel, you're very welcome to. I'm trying to get hold of a capture card, the capture card that I previously talked about in the video before. It's fell through, so I need to try and source one another way. Hopefully then I can do live streaming using this camera rather than the webcam which is on my screen behind me. I hope this is okay. This is the information I've been given. Many thanks, and be yourselves. Alright, see you soon. Bye.